you see that frog? Yes. Do you want to know the life cycle of a frog? Yes, of course. Did you know that a frog begins as an egg? Then the egg will slowly develop and it will become a tadpole. So that is the tadpole there. Then the tadpole's body starts to change, ready for it to live out of the water as a froglet. Then, as a froglet begins to grow bigger, it changes into an adult frog. Can you see the adult frog? Yes. Then the female frogs lay the eggs and the whole process begins again. First, a frog begins as an egg. Second, it becomes a tadpole. Third, it becomes a froglet. Fourth, it will become an adult frog. Then the female frog will lay the eggs again and the whole process begin again and again and again. So that is the life cycle of a frog. So are you happy that you already know the life cycle of a frog? Yes, very good. I am happy to hear that. This lesson is about data processing cycle in the computer. Here we are going to first explain the data processing cycle. Second, show the 3 steps of data processing cycle. Third, identify the feature if it is input, process, or output. The computer also follows a cycle to process data. This is called data processing cycle. Data is a collection of letters and numbers entered using a keyboard and a mouse. Cycle is a set of processes that happen again and again in the same order. The data processing cycle has 3 steps: the input, process, and output. First step, input. Pam enters data in the computer. She is using the mouse to open programs and the keyboard to type in data. Second step, process. When data is entered, the computer's central processing unit will process it. Third step, output. After data is processed, the computer will now display the output on the screen. Now, let us recall the 3 steps of data processing cycle. What are those? Input, process, output. Good! Let us have an activity. You're going to identify the pictures if it is input, process, output. Are you ready? Okay, number 1, planting. Okay, which is input? Good. Next, which is process? Very good. Next, which is output? Good. Okay. Next, let us know the process of baking cake. Which is the input? Good. Which is the process? Very good. Next, which is the output? Good. It is the process of baking cake. Input, process, output. Now we are done. I hope you learned something today. Don't forget to do your activity that I uploaded in your LMS. Okay? Bye! See you in our next lesson!